Pat, on today's 30-minute mechanic, we are gonna prep our frame with our grinder and our flappy wheel, clean off the undercoating on the frame where we're gonna weld our plates to it, and we're gonna jack our cage back up and bolt it to that, and then we'll be ready to weld it to the frame. So buckle up, let's go. Okay, what we got to do here is get this all cleaned up. So when we bolt our plates back on here, then we'll have a good place to weld around the outside edge. So here we go. I think that's pretty good. Moving on. Gosh, used to see the dust in the air. Whew. See if we can move you. You can kind of see what I'm doing down here now. Whee! Move to the next one. This one has a bit more undercoating. Interesting. Stuff gets hot and it just kind of smears it around. Let's try something else here. It smells like, well, it's like a rubberized coating. It smells like burned rubber. It takes several attempts. You know what I should do is put my readers on. That would help a little bit. Okay, this side looks pretty good. We're going to move the other side and do the same thing. Oh, crap. Move over there and do some grinding, cleaning. All right. But I think I'm going to have to lift it up. I wonder if I should use a floor jack, or maybe a floor jack's on the fronts and then hook a ratchet strap in and zip it up. I don't know. Let's see. Where are my... There's one. Let's try something here. I mean, it's not heavy. But I got to have some way to hold it in place. And it's just me. I wonder if I could lift up the front, get a couple bolts in, and lift the back up like this. Yep, and up. That might work. Although I don't think this little jack here is going to be tall enough. Dang it. Huh, well, that's interesting. You jack one side up, it jacks the other side up. Let's see if I can pull on that a little bit. I don't know what just fell. Well, okay. This may be another one of those easier said than done situations. I wonder. Okay. I'm going to think here. Got me some tools here to, if I get one close to a hole, I can stick it in. Nope. Now let's see if we can lift the back of it up. Maybe that's what I need to do. It's probably going to fall off the jacks on the front side. Okay. That's what I wanted right there. Yep. Okay, that part is... Let's jump to opposite corner. Get up, get down. Okay, I'll show you where I'm at. We get that one almost up. That one, this one has one bolt in. This one has none. It's in the wrong holes. So that's what we're struggling with at the moment. And we were hung on the parking brake cable, which is driving me crazy. We are getting our bolts put back in. Our cage is back up. Can't really see it because of the glare. Hey, I did get this out. I did paint. I painted the top of the cage and the front A-pillar bars with some Rust-Oleum protective enamel. I went with smoke gray this time instead of black, so maybe it won't barbecue me so bad. But it went on real nice. I went ahead and painted the tops and stuff, and most of the A-pillars because they were going to be hard to get to. So that's all done. Now I'm just going to go around, put all the rest of my bolts in. All right. It's going to do it for 30-minute mechanic today. Maybe a short video today because I'll probably time lapse a lot of that, going from this side, going to that side, going from this side, to raise that thing up kind of incrementally and get some bolts lined up and all in. But all the bolts are in. They're not tight yet. Kind of run out of time today. But I'd like to put a little bit of upward pressure on the cage before I tighten those things down, just so that cage is up as high in the cab and as tight as it can be. So, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, tell your friends. We'll see you next time. Bye.